you cannot ban sex. You can ban marriage. Yeah, in other words, nerds. In other words, my sex with Andy just got a lot more interesting. People still talk about the Super Bowl. Yesterday, the tightrope walker, remember him? Remember him. Remember him? Remember him. Remember him? Remember him. The tightrope walker. The tightrope walker.
Remember him? Remember him.
From Madonna's halftime show said, Madonna's fine. Yeah, what's strange is that he said that in response to the question, what's it like to remember him? Anyone here Jack Knockfield? Like Jack and Knockfield? Wow, that was very enthusiastic.
They said, like they think you're going to take them right now.
Yeah. Everyone get in the back of my dad's fast food. I'm going to Jack. You don't want to go in that fast food. Listen, is it? No, fast food chain Jack has introduced a milkshake. Your cock explodes. How dare you? Too early. It ruined everything. Me loved long cock. Long all. Crazy. Listen to this. Scientists have created a bullet. Check this out. A bullet. Check this out. A bullet that is capable of crazy. Science. Yeah. It's. I said we can do it. And we did it. And now I regret it. Any cock fans here? I forgot it's Cockfest.
Okay, tiny cock.